Changing required field in form based on condition in views, Django. I have a form, labeling form with two multiple choice fields, and I wish to set the required parameter so that it is false when pressing button A and B but true when pressing button C. I've tried with initial equals false and required equals true, but it doesn't work. It requires field choice when pressing button A. Informs.py. In views.py. In template.
Change the required attribute before the calling of is _valid.
Jo, vänta senare. Det är för kanske subscribing.